Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use the clone tool on Photoshop. This is really handy when you're editing your final images like heroes and such, when you just want to nail those textures. So here we go. Open up a new file. For the sake of this, it doesn't really matter what size I have. I'm just going to turn off that timeline because I don't need it. Okay, so we just have our basic page up here. I'm going to go onto Pinterest and I've just found this nice clear Spanish building. I find that it works best when you have a photo that has quite clear ridges or like walls, if that makes sense. So it's just easier for the marquee tool to pick it up. So we've got that, sized it up a wee bit. I am just going to go, so we have this concrete texture here, but let's say I want to add this brick texture. Copy that over, paste. We want to size it up to this wall. It just needs to cover the whole thing. I'm just going to hide that for now. And I want another one. I want to get this copper texture. Copy that. Bring it over. Let's say we want that to be here. Cover this one. Make it a bit bigger. Once again, hiding that. And let's do one more. Because why not? What texture do we want? Have a few saved here. Let's do, should we do this one? Yeah, let's do this one. Copy, again, paste. Over here, make it fit the whole page. And if we want to, we could kind of fit, to make it a bit more realistic, we could angle some of them this way and that. That one doesn't matter because it's pretty clear, and this one's nice and straight. Okay, so we need to click on our original layer. Let's just name this building so it's nice and clear. This is the layer where we want to change the walls on. So keep this layer clicked, and then we're going to lasso tool here to grab that. Okay, so that's highlighted. So I'm now going to turn on that brick layer, select on it, and then click the clone tool down here. And there we go. It is just cut it out and put it straight on. And so let's do the same for this side. Just going to highlight that with the lasso tool. Click on it again. There we go. That one's very opaque. And then turn on the layer, click on it, clone. Okay, and as we can see, it's looking pretty flat right now. So we kind of want to give it a bit more dimension. And a way we can do this is click on this here and have a go at some of these and just see what it comes up with. It kind of can change a lot of the time. Okay, I want to use that one, the linear burn. Let's do the same down here. Give her a go. Oh, yep, that's quite nice. Kind of brings through the background, so some of that texture, and then it also can like change with the sun direction and stuff. Let's go pin light. There we go. So that is a way you can use the clone tool to edit some of your photos. But yeah, thanks for watching.